'cause this Christmas will be the first.
X's Skin album just came out and I just made a reaction to it, so I'm really excited. I mean, I just filmed it, so like I was excited to really listen to it, and it is definitely not what I was expecting. He definitely went a different route for this one, but it's lit, so like I'm lit, you know. All right, guys. Hey guys, so basically, sorry, so Lee, it's a little bit loud. Right now it is December 7th, and I am just on my bed doing some work. Got the dual monitors going on, got the notebook out and ready to go. Doing studying and stuff in your room is like said to not be good, but like all the lounges on our floor are taken, so that's why I'm like on my bed like this, but I'm just chilling. Last night I was editing my birthday vlog and my Thanksgiving vlog, which is probably not good. I should have been studying or looking at what I wanted for Christmas, because my sister is like haggling me about that. I really don't know what I want, but I'm gonna have to figure it out sooner rather than later. Maybe tomorrow after I take my exam. But yeah, I take my exam tomorrow and I'm not ready. I mean, I feel like I'm ready, but like what if I walk in there and I'm just like messing up? I don't want that to happen. Yeah, so I woke up at like 10:30, but then I went back to sleep until like 1. I didn't really get out of my bed until 1, and then I just got up. I didn't eat anything all day yet. It's 3 right now, but I've been studying for 2 hours straight. But that's not like a lot of time, but like just checking in with the vlog. My friend Tony, he just went to Walmart. He's gonna give me some Doritos. Yes, I've been really loving Doritos lately. Like Doritos have just been so good and they just keep me focused, and I'm really excited to eat that when, you know, he brings it. So yeah, thanks Tony. You're watching this, probably not, but yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And my friend Greg left. He got to go home earlier because he didn't have any exams, but yeah, I'm just here, and I'll keep you guys updated. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later and I just got some food. So right here I got some chicken Alfredo with some rotini noodles, and then I got a pizza. I just wanted a slice of pepperoni. So yeah, I'm about to eat my Italian food and get back on this grind. It's now like 4 o'clock, so yeah.
Okay, I don't know what this
So basically, we're just here studying. Yes. And the grind is real. It's now 2:01 and the grind is still going.
I stopped grinding all the time.
Most of us aren't doing work.
But got an exam tomorrow, so we're gonna have to try to, you know, get it together.
It's just because like it's a real club.
It really
So
is.
we are finishing
I
up.
like when,
It's
after
2:50.
It's like finished
Because
and
if
everybody
you
like.
compare it to a nightclub, like a real nightclub, like I mean, it's the best thing, next best thing. I really like the real clubs better.
Jesse, how do you feel about this? Are you prepared?
No.
What about you, Jay? All right. So I think hopefully we do a good job tomorrow. Get those 25 out of 25s.
We're going for a 20. Get that 80.
Exactly.
Yeah, we dubbing out here.
What'd you say?
We dubbing out here. That's what we do.
Exactly. Anything to say, Siraj?
No, nothing.
Okay. Hey guys, so right now I'm at the bus stop because I'm about to go to the Impo to take my final. I'm a bit nervous, and I came here I'm so nervous that I came to the bus stop 10 minutes earlier so I can look over my stuff. But yeah, I'm a bit nervous. I have until 5 to start it, and it's 3. I wanted to go at 12, but I ended up going at 3. And yeah, so I'm just waiting for the bus. All right, so me and Jay just finished our math final. We're lit. We just passed. And now we're gonna catch the bus to go back to campus. So right now we're back at Chick-fil-A. It's just the hard life. He got the peppermint chocolate milkshake.
Would you like? No, you don't. I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh. And yeah, we're just living our best lives.
My goal is to ruin all of your videos.
All right.
Okay.
So right now we're watching Beyonce Get Straight.
I feel like both the mom and him are messed up, though.
Yeah, it's a mutual
Yeah.
kind of problem that they have to work
Oh
on.
snap, she got rid of her weed.
In school yelling at my grandma.
No? Oh my
I
gosh.
think I'm different now because my ways have changed. And when you go visit, it made me feel trapped.
No.
Hello.
So what are you up to, Amy?
Well, you see, it's Chef Boar RD.
Nice.
Is it gonna show?
I don't think so,
okay.
but
Oh,
there it
okay.
is. There it
so
is.
then I'm putting it in a microwavable
Bowl.
bowl. Yeah, I'm about to microwave it for 1 minute and a half.
1 minute and a half. Nice. Let's just see this transaction.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Just gotta pop it.
I already see my SpongeBob pants.
Oh my yes. This is the college
Yeah,
life.
the college life.
Oh, don't look at our room, but
Yeah, it's messy right now.
exactly.
But we'll clean it up tomorrow.
And tomorrow's a new day.
Tomorrow's a new day. Well, today is trash right now because I was studying for my exams.
Mhm.
But yeah, hopefully this is good.
Exactly. Good news on my exam. I passed.
Yay!
Yay. And yeah, we're just living that best life right now.
Best life.
Exactly. So that's it for now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey guys, so today is December 9th and it is a snowstorm outside. Literally, let me just get on my bed so I can show you real quick. My window's really snowy, so you probably can't see. But guys, what the heck is this? Look at that. It's a winter wonderland out there. I hope I can still go out and get some food because a girl is starving. But anyway, yeah, I just woke up not too long ago. Because what's it called? I went to sleep at 4 a.m. again. It's just becoming a trend. But yeah, I didn't go to sleep until late, and I woke up at I woke up first at 10:30, and then I woke up again at 1 p.m. So yeah, now I'm a bit hungry, a bit parched, and yeah, so it's snowing out there. I do want to go out there just to check it out, put it on the vlog real quick, maybe make a little snowman, but it's coming down really hard. Even now, I did it all night and it's still doing it, so that's different. And yeah, I'll just keep you guys updated on the day. I'm about to just do some more work for this exam that I have to take today for history of technology, and then yeah, I have to take that by 11:59. But it's not really a big deal right now for me. I don't know. I just want to get some food. Alright, bye. Jessica, hello.
No.
She said no. Okay, Tony, where are we going?
I don't know where we're going.
You do.
No, I don't.
We are gonna try to go
We're going to die in the snow. That's what we're about to do.
We're about to go die in the snow.
Actually, I have to call
Look
my
how
mom.
thick that is.
Because we don't get snow a lot. So when she sees it, she's like, ah.
Oh, she likes it.
No. Almost died.
In the snow?
Yeah.
How?
It was in January. We had a snow. But anyways, I was driving. This was my friend's birthday. And then after we got, like, after we all left and went to the movies, everybody's parents picked each other up. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just drive home. So when I started driving home, I had to go around the corner. I said, wait. And then I hit the brake and it wouldn't work. And I was like, I'm gonna die. And there were cars coming. I was like, oh my God.
That would be a terrible way to go.
I was like, oh my God.
What is this?
Water.
Water
From snow. Come on now.
This is disgusting. Fine.
Very slowly. Answer this phone.
Alright.
Calling.
I'm calling.
His mom. Oh, it's
Hey, let's
freezing. No, we're not running. Because
Alright, I'm gonna start throwing snowballs. at
this
you
is the kind of.
If
don't,
you do that
don't
while
start.
I'm on the phone.
But yeah, look at us in the snow. Where's Siraj? Oh, I thought he was gonna throw some snowballs. But literally, it is a lot going on. As you can see, look at the depthness, the depth.
Answer the phone, you woman.
I can't even see out of my, what's it called?
You know what? You've
My
lost.
hood. I'm not sure how much
This is
you
a
get.
video.
Yeah, this is literally how much snow there is out here. It's like a winter wonderland.
Okay, fine. I'm about to go in
Longest
because
way to
food
get to
places
watch
are about
This
to
was the
close.
longest, so you could have just
So,
went
like, I
right
have to
over
get food
here,
now.
straight ahead to the area.
Did she hang up on you?
Your mom hung up on you?
No. Put that cooking out.
Alright guys, so we're about to go into West End. Alright, got my food. This is what Fighting Gobbler looks like. If you guys are wondering, if you guys want to choose pet.
Happening. Everything's closing early.
Everything's
so we have to get our food
Now. I don't know how I'm gonna survive the 12 o'clock.
Oh yeah. Aloha. How's the snow for you? Love it. That's good. Guys, so basically I have my camera like on my sink. So that's like kind of weird. But I'm just going to talk to you guys about the day while I'm getting ready to go to sleep because I feel like that's interesting. So basically my friend Jay came here to, what's it called? We took our exam together. You're probably not supposed to, but like we don't really care. We don't really care. We just, you know, mess up. So this is the kind of stuff I use. It's kind of like a, you know, night routine sort of thing. But yeah, we took our exam today and I really hope we did good because if we didn't, that's a yikes on my part, you know? That's really a yikes on my part. I'm really nervous. I really hope we excelled with the scores, but if we didn't, you know, that's something that we're gonna have to think about. I don't really know what to tell you about that. But yeah, after I went to go out to get food, I just came back and I like studied for that and I got all my notes in order and stuff. So yeah, and then my friend Jay stayed here for like, it's 2 a.m. It's like 2:44, almost 3. So that's not cool. But we just don't know about that life. So yeah, don't mind my room in the background. So basically when I've been studying, I've been listening to, what's it called, Trey Songz a lot. And let me tell you, his album, the 11/17, today was Nicki Minaj's birthday, so shout out to Nicki, I love you. But as I was saying, Trey Songz album is really, really good. And I've been listening to it like non-stop. So I'm just gonna play a song that I really, really like. I like the whole thing, like the 11 part when it's just him. I like that more than the features, but also obviously Chris Brown's on one of the features, so like I like that. But like, You know what I'm trying to say. Why not? Ooh, I gotta open this. Baby, I'ma do it for you. Tell me the things you want. Baby, I'ma do it for you. I don't know what's happening. Baby, I'ma do it for you. Tell me the things you want. Baby, I'ma do it for you.